Hello again, this is the part 4 of hydrological model development. In this part we are going to focus on input file and we'll make a test simulation. So let's go to the right input files, right input tables, weather station. There we are going to go for custom database. We are not going to use US because it's outside from US. So let's go to station. This is the location of the station, and then we put daily time step. The precipitation data we are going to feed the model, so let's put text file and p gauges. We will also feed temperature data, climate station, so it's the same way, t gauges. Okay, now let's do the model simulate the rest of the thing like solar radiation, wind speed and relative humidity. We click OK. The model will generate from the weather generator file. It takes a while to prepare all those things, and then you have to go to write all. So it's not from US, so no. So it's preparing the soil file, we can see now, and then there will be another message. This is also no, because we are going to use, we are not going to change, we will use the Manning's roughness coefficient as 0.04 or something like that as the default value. So in this case, if we hit plant growth, we don't know, so we let the model simulate, then it's yes. Let the model estimate. So in this part it takes some time to prepare all the input files. So it's now going for septic tanks, basin file, water quality files. Yeah, so once it's done, it's okay. So now we can see that the input files are created all. Sweep file, weather generator file, sub-basin file, HRU file. So now if we use a reservoir before, then we can plug the data of different criteria, physical criteria like principal surface, and these are the way we can change the various method like Penman multi-lever put transpiration and Hargreaves method, Priestley-Taylor method, and water quality. The same way we can change the input, and once it's done we can save it. So if we change something, we have to rewrite the SWAT input files. Let's say we change our mind from Penman to Hargreaves to see which evap transmission method is good. So now this is the if we run the model, we have data from 96 to 2010. We are going to use daily simulation, and we are going to skip 3 years for warming up period to stabilize the model default parameter. Now we set up and run SWAT. So the window will be pop up like that. So it takes some time based on the watershed. Once it is done, we can click OK, and now we need to save the results. Let's only focus on HRU, sub-basin and reach file. Store the data in a MDB database. Okay, and let's put a name with the first theme daily or something like that. We save it. I think it's better to run it again for monthly time step. We are going to see how is the monthly time step results. So once it is done, we can again save the results. Sim 1 monthly. Save it. So now the files, in the meantime we can see the summary results of yearly average basin, so annual basin, average annual basin values. So this and the input values that we have provided for the model. Now we can see the folders that it created. It should be in the scenario, yeah, first sim daily and first sim on month. So inside of this folder there should be one text in and out, and all the output files should be here. So we can do everything from this folder, or the table out there, they organize those files. So in the next video screencast, we are going to analyze the results. For any kind of question, you can of course send me an email. Thank you for watching.